So we said we start by opening Microsoft Word. Okay, start by opening Microsoft Word. For those who are not here last time, we said that Word comes with some cool features. Okay, yeah, the top bar here, we call it some people call it a menu bar, others call it a ribbon. Okay, but here, up here, the first part here is called a menu bar or a tab bar. Tab bar or menu bar, like that. That's the first part you see. Then there is another part you see here, which is up here, is called a quick access panel. Okay, called a quick access panel. Then when you look here, you are seeing a lot of features that display when you click on each tab. So this part here is called a ribbon. It's called a ribbon. This part here is called a ribbon. A ribbon. That one is called a ribbon, where you can get those functionalities. And then each tab here has gotten its own functionalities. For example, if I come to home provides where you can customize the font. It provides most especially when you want to format your text, font, managing the colors, boldness, which font family to work with, things like that. Okay, and then also you can manage the font size. For example, if I wanted to make this a bit larger, I would choose a high font size. But today we shall not look at this because we looked at it last time. I was just giving a quick overview, just to remind ourselves of what we covered last time. We also covered this full feature here. It's called the Format Painter. It brings style from one to another. Okay. Yeah, so here we said this is paragraphing. We manage alignment, bulleting, line spacing, paragraph spacing, and others. And also borders. And then background colors. Yes. Then in here, we manage the headings. Okay. You'll use this most especially when you start writing your proposals or serious documents where you have to have hierarchies, where you'll have the table of contents. We shall utilize this. We shall do it next time when we come. So today, let us go straight to our topic today, which is mail match. So I'll create a new document and then start afresh. So I will come to mail match. For example, we can start by creating a simple letter. Okay, a simple letter or memo. Always a letter starts with the location. What? How does the letter start? Yes. Start capital. What does that mean? Capital letter. Oh yes, of course. Of course, it starts with a capital letter. Thank you so much. Okay, let's write some vague letter. Okay, I'll try to browse through the documents I have, and I get a bit of a sample of a letter we can use. Can you try this? So I will put it on the desktop, and then I will open it. Something like this, a very short letter. I will copy it. That's enough. I don't need too much. I'll paste that in my document. I only needed the text. I don't need a lot. Just wanted something to start with, like that. So here, as you can see, I'll try to increase the size. As you can see, this is our letter, but we need all of this, but we don't have to put that auto. That will be there automatically. Even if you want to put the date, can also be there automatically. So you highlight whenever you want to use something. So this is our sample or template of a letter we are going to be sending. Okay. So once we have that, then we need next the people we are going to send these letters. Are we together? So we shall create a list in Microsoft Excel. We shall go in Excel and we create some simple data sets. I will start with an ID for the number. For example, I will need only 10 people. Start with like that. It's the name, maybe first name. I will need the second name or last name. I also need email address. I need location. What else will I need? What else will I need? Gender. Maybe instead of gender, we can say we shall need a title. Are you a Mr. or a Mrs.? Okay. Maybe phone number, things like this. This is enough to start with. Should not make it so big. So we shall have our names here. For example, which names? Shall have Ahmed. Ahmed who? Mohammed. The email will be Ahmed Ahmed at gmail.com, like that. So the location, you can say Hargeisa, like that. And then we can say title is a Mr., like that. Phone number, we shall have something like that. So I really do not have a lot of names. Maybe you do. Next person will be Saleban. Don't know whether the spelling is right. Saleban what? Mose. Okay. Sale at email.com. Also lives in Kabudul. Write it like that. Is a Mr. Has a phone number like that. Here we shall have what? Shall have a woman. Name what? Abdul Rashid. It's found where? Like that. She's a Mrs. Then with some kind of phone number. So I think this is enough. This is enough. All right, so that is our data set. So I'll go ahead and save it as receivers. I'll save it as receivers, like that. I put it on a desktop, just like that. Then I will close. I come back here, okay? So I will also remove that. Then when we go to mailings, okay? Then we shall choose start mail or merge, and we go to step by step. So in step by step, we shall get a sidebar here. So it has select. So we are going to send letters for now, and we shall choose to go to the next step. I think here, down below here, there is a button, next. So next now it will ask to us, select starting document, okay? So starting document is the document you are starting with. For example, me, I have this one, but someone else can use a template if we don't have an existing document. But for now, I will go with this current document. So I will click next. So next is select recipients, okay? People who are going to receive that message. So I will go ahead. There are options like use an existing list. The list you already created. There is also select from Outlook contacts if you have your phone number in Outlook, or if you want to type a new list. Okay. I will continue with unexisting because I have created it. So I come here to browse it, where it's located. It's on the desktop and it's called receivers, like this. So I'll go ahead and open it. So it is there. I'll just click OK. And I see my information here. I'll just click OK. Yeah, so now I start to map my information right together. So I'll come here. The first thing we start is the title. Dear Mr. Dear Mrs. Okay. So I will come to my data here. Are you seeing here? There is edit recipient list. I'll say okay. So I come here, select a different. Sorry. So I'll go to the next after selecting. So I'll come here. There is the more items. Okay. More items. So I click more items. I'll be seeing my items here. The ID, the first name, last name, email, location, yes, title and phone number. So the first thing I'll choose the title here and click insert. So the title will come there. After that, I'll need, I remove that one. I need some space, or I need a dot. Then there is a dot there already. I need some space, and then I put the next one. I come to more items. I say first name, like that. I add it there. So now we are going to have the title here and the first name. Next is the date. Did we put date in our data? We don't put date. So let me put the date manually here. 23rd of August 2025. So when you come here to the closing, we shall say regards, we come to more items, we choose first name, those we put space, and also we put last name, like that. Then we go to another line, we add more. We add the email, and after the email we shall put the phone number, and lastly we shall put the location. Okay, the location like that. So that is done. So next you will go to the next preview your letters. So now we have started to preview our letters. Okay, so Mr. Ahmed, here Ahmed Mohammed, the email, the phone number, and the location. We go to the next one, this Saliban, and all the details, like that. So there were only 3, and you see we have 3 customized letters. So you can go ahead and say finish mail match. You want to edit them. If you want more edits, you can print the documents, or you can send the email. Okay. Yes, so that is it. So I will go next, complete the merge. I'll go finish, merge, and see the individual documents. I wanted to print, I just say okay, and then I choose the printer. I go ahead and print, just like that. So these are my letters. I think then you create one letter and you have many. So that is Mailo.